Welcome. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your karate school. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video on YouTube and you aren't quite familiar with the MultiSites service yet, MultiSites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, karate school. There it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our karate school so it can generate a one-page website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the MultiSite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm now going to go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue and let MultiSites work its magic and generate a simple website for my karate school. And look at that. MultiSites has generated a simple website for my karate school in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you just as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images and they're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. No coding necessary. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section at the top, and over here I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address, and I want to make sure it's visible on my MultiSites website, so I'm going to click on show email on site. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number, and that will be displayed in the top right hand corner as well. That is click to call, by the way. Let's go ahead and put in our street address, physical location, as well as our postal code. Now, the great thing about our address is when our customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to our karate school. Let's move on to our social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your karate school is active on so your customers can see what you're up to, follow you, and get some engagement going. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's move along. I'm now going to hit to update logo. Now, if you're in the startup process of your karate school and you don't quite have a logo yet, that's completely okay. MultiSites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload mine. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. If you don't have a huge budget for a web designer or graphic designer, there are a few great options on there that are free to use. My logo has been uploaded. I can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to leave it and I'm now going to move along. Over here, I'm going to hit to update image. Now, as I said, if you've got your own images, all you need to do is browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from. However, you do need to play around with the terms a little bit, so it will automatically search for karate school. But I'm going to go ahead and search for karate and see what pops up. There's a lot of suitable images. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I think it's really pretty. I'm now going to go ahead and save that. That looks really great. So I'm going to leave it as is. I'm now going to hit to update content. Now over here, you can go ahead and change the titles and subtitles to suit your needs. Button, perhaps you don't want it to say contact us today. Let's say get directions so people can easily find our karate school. We can link to another website if necessary. We can link to another part of our MultiSites website, like the lead form at the bottom, which is a great option. Now I'm going to get to it in just a second, but we can link to an action as well, like click to call directions or click to email. So for this, I'm going to put directions. And one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a PDF file with a catalog or your rates and all the different karate lessons you offer with your class schedule. Go ahead and upload it as PDF so that when your customers click on that button over here, it will automatically take them to that PDF file you've just uploaded. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your Marcy's House website that have been pre-selected for you, I guess you could call this like a navy blue. It doesn't quite go with your branding. On your signage throughout your karate school, it's a completely different color. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to just click on this nifty little paint bucket over here and go through the various color palettes available to you. So I'm going to go ahead and look at a few. I actually really like the red one, so I'm going to go ahead and save that one. You can change it at a later stage if you wish to. Over here, again, pre-written contents as a guideline, of course, button can link to various places. If you want to make any changes, all you need to do is click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your karate school came to be, how you got into the industry. Perhaps you're a karate expert yourself. Maybe you teach the karate lessons. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your background and your story. You could even upload a photo of yourself here if you are the instructor. Another great spot over here for a high quality image. Upload one of your own or choose one from that photo library. Hundreds to choose from and all completely free to use. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer, the different classes your karate school has. Do you offer kids martial arts class, teens, adults, fitness classes? Maybe you also do self-defense classes. Go ahead and pop all those details over here so your customers know what they can come to you for. We've now made our way into the last section, that lead form that I previously mentioned. Over here, your customers can easily get in touch with you. All they need to do is put in their details, their message, and click send. Now, once they've done that, you will be notified via email that you did get a lead via this form. You can also find all your leads over in the client dashboard as well. If you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain and go through the various steps available. Now, I'm really excited to let you know you can now purchase your custom domain through the multi-sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and you can now click on I want a new domain. If you have your own one, click on I already have a domain and go through the various steps needed. Now, if you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.mindseasites.com. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of helpful articles over here, lots of pages to go through, so do check it out. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our karate school in less than 10 minutes. I didn't need to know any coding. Everything looks really professional and great, and it's so easy to make amendments. I didn't need to hire anyone to help me with the process either. It was such a breeze. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services when you start a free trial um, online. So do give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how well it works for you and your small business. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if there's any features you'd like to see in the future, any suggestions, or if you need any assistance with anything, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the Mighty Site service.